Welcome to Ampanova. Are you ready to take your soldering projects to the next level? Meet the Miniware TS1C, the cordless soldering station that combines precision, speed, and freedom. Designed and developed by eDesign, Miniware Cordless Soldering Station TS1C is the first new energy storage intelligent desktop soldering tool based on Bluetooth communication. Soldering pen is ergonomically designed with a good grip. The top of the pen adopts a USB Type-C interface for firmware upgrade, which can be used for power input in emergency cases. The overall design of TS1C is simple and smooth, hardcore and handsome. The control station features 128 by 64 pixel OLED screen to display the soldering pen status in real time. The back of the station is equipped with a USB Type-C interface for standard PD20V, 45W power input and firmware upgrade. In addition, there are 3 expansion slots at the bottom of the station, which can be used to install sponge slot to offer more functional usage. When the station is connected to power, it automatically detects the soldering iron and connects to it via Bluetooth. When the soldering iron is placed in the station, charging is activated. By pressing the A heating button, the soldering iron enters preheat mode and the tip temperature rises to 100 degrees Celsius. When the soldering iron is removed from the station, the temperature increases to the set working temperature. After finishing work and placing the soldering iron back in the station, the temperature drops back down to the preheat level. In the box you will find soldering control station, soldering pen, ESB02 soldering tip, sponge slot, USB-C charging cable, and user manual. TS1C is compatible with Miniware 3.5mm audio interface soldering tips. Additionally, you can equip yourself with the following tips available in our offer. You can find links to these products in description. No more cables, no more limits. Solder anywhere, anytime, with the precision and reliability you deserve. The future of soldering is here. Miniware TS1C. Ampanova is the official distributor of FNRC and offers a wide selection of its high-quality products. We offer a wide assortment of 3D printing filaments from brands such as ProRock, Eason, and Winkle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Ampanova channel for more product presentations.